Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use recycle bin option on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here, so click on gallery app. So after click on gallery app, you will see click on menu. So after click on menu, you will see click on recycle bin. So after click on recycle bin, so if you want to use recycle bin, so click on select. So select picture from here. So after select picture, click on restore. So after click on restore, you will see picture is restore. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can use recycle bin option on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.